Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to use reminders on Android. If you have an important event or things you have to be reminded of, don't worry. The simplest and easiest way to set reminders on any Android devices is to straight up use your phone's calendar. So let's go ahead and open our Android phone's calendar. After doing so, all we have to do is tap on the date of the event or the day where you want to be reminded for. For example, I want to choose April 18th. Now that we have selected the date that we want to be reminded for, all we have to do next is tap the Add button on the top right corner of the application. In here, you can choose whether you want event, birthday, anniversary, countdown, or others. For now, I'll just select event, but you'll have time to experiment on different choices. Anyway, you can input the title and location of the event. You'll also have the option to make the event all day. But what we came for is how to use the reminders on Android phones. So to have that option, all we have to do is tap More. And here we will see Remind. Let's tap Remind and see our options. Once we have enabled Remind, we'll have the option to set the time of the reminder. So I'll just select 1 hour before and 5 minutes before. And then let us go back. After that, all we have to do is click Done on the top right corner. And as we can see, we now have created the event and we will be reminded for it 5 minutes and an hour before. And that is how to use reminders on any Android device. Now that you know how to use reminders on your Android smartphone, please let us know in the comment section below if you have any topic or suggestions. Also, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.